To begin, we'll upload the raw financial data needed to generate a credit score. This initial upload raw data phase is the starting point for a comprehensive assessment. Here, we're selecting the data file, in this case, alcrreaditscoringtable.csv. This file contains the essential financial information our AI will analyze. Once the file is selected, you're ready to proceed. Now, with the data chosen, the system initiates processing. You'll see the message, Processing Data and Calculating Credit Scores. The Process and Score Data button indicates the system is actively working to evaluate the provided financial details. This step is crucial as it transforms raw data into a usable format for our AI algorithms. Data processing continues, laying the foundation for an accurate and insightful credit score. Data ingestion is complete, and we now see a summary of the results. This includes the total records processed, the resulting score range, and the last update timestamp. Here, we've generated a score of 521, broken down by key components like transaction stability and financial capacity. Each component score contributes to the overall assessment. Here, a fair score of 51. We're continuing to analyze the factors driving this credit score. Here, we're examining transaction stability, a key component of the overall assessment. This score reflects the consistency of monthly transaction amounts, providing insight into financial predictability. A stable pattern indicates lower risk. Liability payment stability directly influences this component. Greater variability signals increased financial risk, impacting the overall credit score. Erratic patterns are flagged as potential concerns. Now, we'll review financial capacity. We're analyzing financial capacity, account activity, and balance management to reveal spending patterns and stability. Balance management yields key behavioral patterns. The system highlights balance and transaction volatility, revealing key strengths and risk factors. Specific insights pinpoint balance variability, suggesting budgeting strategies for improved financial stability and stronger scores. The system assesses specific risk factors impacting your score, like balance fluctuations and transactional patterns. These detailed insights aren't just diagnostic, they're prescriptive, offering clear recommendations to improve financial habits. Component scores reveal exactly how each factor contributes to your overall profile.